Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore effective strategies for commanding respect, even if you're naturally more quiet or introverted. In a world that often values extroverted personalities, it's essential to understand that respect can be earned through various means, regardless of your disposition. So, let's dive into some powerful techniques that will help you establish a commanding presence and gain the respect you deserve. 1. Embrace your authenticity. The first step to commanding respect as a quiet individual is to embrace your authenticity. Understand that being introverted or reserved doesn't diminish your worth. Emphasize your unique strengths, such as thoughtfulness, careful listening, and measured responses. Authenticity is key in establishing trust and respect with others. 2. Master nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication plays a crucial role in commanding respect. Pay attention to your body language, posture, and facial expressions. Stand tall, make eye contact, and maintain an open and confident stance. This signals that you are present, attentive, and self-assured, ultimately earning the respect of those around you. 3. Develop active listening skills. Active listening is an incredibly powerful tool. Show genuine interest in others' opinions and perspectives. Maintain eye contact, nod, and provide verbal affirmations to demonstrate your engagement. When people feel heard and understood, they are more likely to respect your presence and value your contributions. 4. Choose your words wisely. While you may be naturally quieter, the words you choose can have a significant impact. Be intentional with your speech, using concise and meaningful language. Avoid unnecessary rambling or excessive filler words. By speaking thoughtfully and purposefully, you convey confidence and earn respect from others. 5. Showcase your expertise. One of the most effective ways to command respect is to showcase your expertise. Quiet individuals often possess a wealth of knowledge and insights. Leverage your expertise by sharing your ideas, offering well-thought-out solutions, and contributing valuable insights during discussions. Your expertise will earn you the respect and recognition you deserve. 6. Cultivate self-confidence. Cultivating self-confidence is essential for commanding respect. Recognize and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. Focus on your strengths and constantly work on personal growth. By projecting self-assurance, you inspire confidence in others and earn their respect. 7. Lead by example. Lastly, lead by example. Demonstrate integrity, consistency, and professionalism in your actions and decisions. Show respect to others, even if they may not reciprocate immediately. By consistently displaying admirable qualities, you inspire others to follow suit and earn their respect over time. Conclusion. Remember, commanding respect as a quiet individual is not about trying to be someone you're not. Embrace your authenticity, master nonverbal communication, develop active listening skills, choose your words wisely, showcase your expertise, cultivate self-confidence, and lead by example. These strategies will help you earn the respect you deserve, irrespective of your personality type. Thank you for watching, and we hope these tips empower you to thrive in your personal and professional life.